Hi Didi.
Hi Amrita. Hi Raj. Good morning. Good morning, Anjali.
Good morning.
Morning, teacher.
Good morning. Let me play some songs for you. me, everyone. Yeah, so did you get a chance to read or no? Yes or no? Because if you didn't read, you will not understand anything in today's class.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Shivani. Yeah, so did you guys get a chance to read it? Aryan, give me thumbs up right now if you read complete 8 chapters of the story. It was very short. It took me 7 minutes to read the entire story. Only 7 minutes. Okay, Amrita says she read. What about everyone else? You guys didn't read? Anjali said she read. I'm gonna ask questions after this, so don't lie right now, okay? Read it right now. I'm giving you time right now to read. Open in your phone and read. You can switch off your video, read the story right now. Otherwise, आज की क्लास में कुछ समझ नहीं आने वाला है. Muskan, did you read Snow White's story?
No, Miss.
Then what will you understand in today's class? Nothing. You can't do today's class. If you have not read the story, everyone, you will not be able to do it. I'm giving you time right now to read it. And सुबह 8 o'clock में message डाला था, you had time to read it. It took me only 7 minutes to read the entire story. तो आपको कितना टाइम लगता? 20 minutes, 30 minutes लग जाता if I took 7 minutes. Come on, read it right now. Switch off your video and read the story. Open PDF and read the story right now. I'm not gonna begin the class if you guys don't read. And I will cancel today's class if you guys are not reading. Come on, read. When most of the students are done reading, then only I'll conduct today's class. Otherwise, I'm not conducting. I'm canceling this class. All right, everyone on video, please. Switch on your videos. Shashwat says he is not getting the PDF. Shashwat, did you not check the PDF in the folder before? आपने नहीं देखा, उस दिन होमवर्क किया ही नहीं हमने फ्राइडे से एक बार भी. मैंने आज नहीं भेजा था, मैंने फ्राइडे को भेजा था. Everyone on video. Thank you, Amrita and Raj and Muskan. Everyone else also on video. Shreya, Shashwat, Kushnuma, Kaif, Aryan and Vinayak. You remember Saturday को क्या बोला था? Starting में you will have to switch it on. Then once I'm done talking to all of you, then you can switch it off. Thank you, Shreya, and thank you, Kushnama. Rahul and Riya, you are required to switch on your video. Thank you, Vinayak. Shashwat, Aryan, Sadik, Rahul and Riya, I'm waiting for you guys to switch on your video. Thank you, Shashwat. Sadik, Rahul and Riya and Aryan, I'm waiting for you guys. Arsia, please switch on your video. All right, if you're not switching on the video, I'm removing you from the meeting because I am not sure if you're there or not. We told this on Saturday that we want videos on. Come on. I'm giving you 5 more seconds. After that, if you don't switch on the video, I'm removing you. Thank you, Rahul and Riya. Arsia, Aryan, Sadik, you need to switch on your videos. Thank you, Arsia. Sadik, Kaif is not connected to audio. Why? Sadik, Aryan, switch on your video. Alright, class में इतना daily wait नहीं कर सकती हूँ for you to switch on your video. Sadik, Aryan and Kaif, are you there or should I mark you absent today? Alright, I'm marking Sadik, Aryan and Kaif is not connected. Alright, thank you Sadik. Thank you Misbah. Okay, I'm marking Aryan absent then. And Kaif is not connected to video. Why? Abhijit, you will need to switch on your video. Okay, whoever is not switching on the video is absent for today. Let me take a picture so that I know who all came for the class. Now it's 9:08. Too much time I've given. All right. Okay, before we start, I would like to know how many of you have read the complete Snow White story. Arsia has read. Amrita and Raj have read. 2 people. Anjali has read. 3. Rahul and Riya have read. Rahul, have you read? Unmute yourself and please answer. Rahul, can you unmute yourself? Yes, tell me.
मेरा पूरा स्टोरी थोड़ा सा हुआ है 4 लाइन का और रिया का हुआ है.
आपका बच्चा है तो ये that means you have not read. ठीक है. All right. You have not read. Okay. Shrishti, Rinki, Abhijit, if you want attendance, you will have to switch on your video. Once I share my PT, then you can switch it off. But right now you need to share. Most of the class is not read. What we'll do is, I'm not conducting today's class because I cannot conduct it. We were supposed to discuss the story. आज हमें story discuss करना था. There were few questions I was supposed to do with you guys. I can share it with you so that you realize. These were the questions we were supposed to discuss. These 4 questions and these total another 4 questions. Total 8 questions we were supposed to discuss today. How do I discuss it if you have not even done the story? How do I do? I'll talk. I'll ask you a question. You won't be able to answer क्योंकि हमने पढ़ा ही नहीं है. क्या करें? Amrita, tell me what should be done now. I know you have read, but what about different students who have not read? Yes, Shreya.
Teacher, which chapter? Third chapter.
The entire story, Shreya. Were you not present on Friday or Saturday? You're present, right? I told every day do three chapters. Amrita, how much time did it take you to read the entire story?
I done in night when my mother was cooking and she was not using the phone. Then I was taking. When it takes 20 minutes.
20 minutes to read the entire story. That's right. Yeah, to read the complete book, it took her 20 minutes. It was not big story. It was just one paragraph in each story, yes? In each
Yes.
chapter, there was one paragraph.
Yes.
Yeah, 20 minutes class. If you can't take out 20 minutes, then I don't know. I don't know what to do. I already told you we don't have enough time in online class. So आज का class तो नहीं हो सकता है. हमने story नहीं पढ़ा है. What to do? Quickly tell me. Otherwise, I'm ending the meeting right now, and everyone is getting absent apart from Amrita, Raj, Arsia, Anjali, and Riya, because these guys have read the story. Quickly tell me what to do. This is the second time it's happening that we have not done the homework. या फिर एक काम करते हैं, I will continue the class today. You guys will not understand anything. ऐसे ही करते हैं, है ना? नहीं समझेगा, चलेगा? शाश्वत, is it okay? मैं पूरा क्लास कंडक्ट कर देती हूँ, आपको कुछ भी नहीं समझ आएगा हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं. Would you like that? Till 4 I read the story, till chapter 4. Okay, Khushnama, what about remaining 4 chapters? You will understand only half questions. Remaining half questions you won't understand. Then आधा समझेगा, आधा नहीं समझेगा. We can't do everything online. In class we can't do. If you're not working घर पे, then it's not happening. It's 9:13. I'm giving all of you time right now till 9:40 to finish reading the story. You can put your video off. I've resent the PDF on the group, school group. Open the PDF and read it right now. Come on, you can switch off your videos, but you will have to read the story right now. We will be starting at 9:40. You are not exiting the meeting. You are part of the meeting. If you exit, I will not let you enter again. So make sure you are part of the meeting, but go read the story right now. Come on. Abhi school group pe share kiya hai. Go read the story. All the students who have read the story, you guys, I am sharing the questions. Write the answers in your notebook. Whatever you think is the answer, write it. Okay, we will discuss it at 9:40. Anjali, can you see the screen?
Yes, teacher, I can see.
Oh, it won't come like this. Wait. All right, जिसने भी story पढ़ लिया है, please write the answers in your notebook. Everyone else read the story. मुस्कान and शिवानी, क्या आप story पढ़ रहे हो?
Miss, I cannot see the screen. Teacher, we can't see the screen.
Okay.
Can't see.
Can you see it now?
No. Yes, yes. Yes.
All right. Shivani, please go and read the story. Everyone, Pratik, read the story, please. Without the story, हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. I've given you more than 20 minutes to read the entire story. Come on, use this time to read. Yes, Amrita.
Didi, we have to write question also.
Yeah, it's better if you write it. Once you're done writing these 4 questions, I'll give you next 4 questions to write. There are total of 8 questions. Muskan, are you reading the story? All right, Amrita, Raj, Arsia, is it taking too much time to write the questions?
No, no, teacher. It's better.
Okay, fine. You have to write answers also. So make sure you're writing very fast. प्रतीक, आपको स्टोरी रीड करना है पहले, क्वेश्चंस इग्नोर करो जो मैंने डिस्प्ले किए हैं. आपको स्टोरी सबसे पहले पढ़ना है पूरा जो मैंने स्कूल ग्रुप पे सेंड किया है. ये क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए नहीं है अभी. पहले आप स्टोरी पढ़ो, उसके बाद में इन क्वेश्चंस को हम बाद में देखेंगे. फर्स्ट रीड द स्टोरी. जो स्टोरी व्हाट्सएप पे स्कूल ग्रुप पे मैंने पीडीएफ डाला है स्टोरी का, पहले वो पढ़ो, फिर उसके बाद क्वेश्चंस देखना. अभी क्वेश्चंस मत देखो. रीड द स्टोरी राइट नाउ. Good morning, Jayashree. Jayashree, you have just joined the call. Can you come online? Can you come on video? Jayashree, can you come on video, please? Jayashree, I need you to come on video. Yeah. Hi, good morning, Jayashree. Jayashree, have you read the story Snow White wala? Pura 8 chapters.
Not full. I have read till 5.
Okay, you have till 9:40 right now to read the complete story. I'm not happy with everyone जिन story नहीं पढ़ा है, but without reading the complete story we can't do today's class. So I've given everyone time till 9:40 to finish reading. So आपके 3 chapters ही अगर बचे हैं, then you will be able to finish it very quickly. Quickly you can go on the school group, read the remaining story right now. Come on, you can ignore the questions on the slide right now, but first read the story. इन questions को आप ignore करो अभी के लिए. पहले read the story, complete story, then come back on the call. Guys, are you not done writing 4 questions? How much time do you need?
That's why it's taking time.
Okay, start writing the answers. Come on, I'm not displaying the remaining questions. You write the answers now. सिर्फ पहले 4 questions कर लो. Yes, Amrita. You raised your hand now? No? Yes, प्रतीक आपको सुन रहा है? हेलो प्रतीक, प्रतीक आपको सुन रहा है?
Yes.
हाँ, सो प्रतीक अभी आपको क्वेश्चंस नहीं लिखने हैं, आपको पहले स्टोरी पढ़ना है. मैंने स्कूल का ग्रुप है व्हाट्सएप पे, व्हाट्सएप वाला स्कूल ग्रुप पता है आपको?
यस टीचर.
हाँ, तो उसमें एक पीडीएफ फाइल है, एक फाइल है जहाँ पे स्नो वाइट का स्टोरी है. मैंने अभी अभी भेजा है प्लीज पहले वो स्टोरी पहले रीड करो, अभी क्वेश्चंस मत लिखो, पहले वो स्टोरी रीड करो, वो होमवर्क था जो करना था, बट अभी मैंने टाइम दिया है क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने नहीं किया है, तो पहले वो वाला स्टोरी रीड करो, ठीक है? मैं आपको अलग से भेज रही हूँ अभी, तो पहले वो स्टोरी रीड करो, ये क्वेश्चंस मत देखो, ठीक है? ये क्वेश्चंस नहीं कर पाओगे अगर आप स्टोरी रीड नहीं करोगे, समझा? समझा प्रतीक आपको? हाँ ना? ऑलराइट, जितना क्वेश्चन लिखा है उतना ही पहले आंसर करो, इतनी देर लगा के हम सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस नहीं लिखेंगे, कम ऑन, फिर पूरे टाइम आप लोग क्वेश्चन ही लिखते रह जाओगे।
We done question, we write second one answer.
Okay, Raj, rules still apply. We will raise our virtual hand if you want to talk, but thank you for telling me. Yes, Archana, tell me.
Miss, I was writing third question.
It's okay, first write the answer to first and second question and then I will show you. Acha, okay,
Done.
fine. I will share the screen in that case. But I want you to not spend all the time writing questions, but also write answers as well. So make sure you're writing answers.
Yeah.
Yes, Rahul and Riya, what were you saying?
Teacher, question for you.
You are what?
I have a question.
Yes, ask Maria.
Teacher, if you were on the Snow White, do you go in the house without asking permission?
So Riya, thank you for asking that question. I will definitely answer the question, but once we are on question number 3, ठीक है? जब हम debrief करेंगे in this meeting today, अगर हमें time मिलता है, हम third question तक अगर हम आज पहुंचते हैं, then I will discuss the answer, okay? तब I will tell. I don't want to say right now, ठीक है? And I will tell at the end. उससे क्या होगा? I will be able to hear what you are really thinking and not tell me the answer according to what I am saying, because I want to hear what you guys are thinking. Acha, one question, do you want music in the background while you are writing? Okay, Amrita says yes. All right.
Yes,
everything.
miss.
Okay. You could have asked me before also. I'll play now. You can lower the volume if you want. A volume decrease कर सकते हो. Can you hear it? No? Okay. Now can you hear it? क्या हुआ?
We done all 4
You're done with
questions.
all. ठीक है, I will put the next 4 questions then. You're doing separately ना, discuss करके नहीं कर रहे हो ना, same answers? Yeah.
No.
Good. Don't do it. Otherwise आप दोनों का क्या opinion है वो पता नहीं चलेगा. Keep it separate. Yes, it's also about your own opinion, your own thoughts. Arshia, are you done writing all the 4 questions? Okay, quickly finish. I need to put the next slide for the revision. Okay, Amrita, you can write 5 questions. Arshia, आपने नहीं लिखा, जल्दी से 4th लिख लो. I'm putting next question. Wait. Is done writing, then I will put. प्रतीक, put yourself on mute. जब आप नहीं बोलना चाहते हो ना मीटिंग में, मुझसे बात नहीं करना चाहते तो प्लीज put yourself on mute. अभी प्रतीक जो भी आप बोल रहे हो मुझे सुनाई आ रहा है, तो प्लीज म्यूट पे डालो अपने आप को, और जब भी आपको कुछ बोलना हो तो आप अनम्यूट कर सकते हो. वहाँ पे देखो म्यूट का बटन है नीचे कॉर्नर में. Done? Okay. Next questions.
Can I read the question from here and answer directly?
Okay. You can write directly answer. स्टोरी रीड कर लिया स्नो वाइट का? Kef, you can unmute yourself. I don't need your video right now, but I need you to talk to me. Come on. अपने सैटरडे मीटिंग में सुना था ना, अगर आप आंसर्स नहीं दोगे, पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करोगे, देन एब्सेंटी मार्क होएगा. So I need to know कि आपने read किया है कि नहीं किया है. Yes, Kef? Kef? ठीक है कैफ, मैं आपको एब्सेंट मार्क कर रही हूँ आज. I'm not marking you present today. If you're not talking, then I'm not marking you present. I need you to talk right now. अभी मैंने टाइम किस लिए दिया है? Yes, Kef, tell me. Come on. पढ़ा कि नहीं पढ़ा? अभी इसीलिए टाइम दिया है ना कि जिसने होमवर्क नहीं किया है क्लास में होमवर्क कर ले. आप रीड किया पूरा स्टोरी की नहीं किया?
Yes.
ओके, टेल मी 7th चैप्टर में क्या होता है? हम झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे कैफ. अगर आपने नहीं रीड किया, अभी भी आपके पास 2-3 मिनट बचे हैं. गो रीड जितना आप पढ़ सकते हो. 2 मिनट्स बचे हैं. विदाउट दैट आज की क्लास में समझ नहीं आएगा कुछ भी. यस अर्शिया, टेल मी.
Miss, I was telling what we call sharp in English.
व्हाट डू वी कॉल्ड?
Sharp.
Sharp.
No.
Curse. C-U-R-S-E. Curse. C-U-R-S-E. Curse.
E.
C. Should I write? Wait, I'll write. Got it? Cool. Yes, Shreya, tell me.
Teacher, my done.
Okay, my done nahi. I am done.
I am done.
Okay, just wait for 1 more minute. Then I will call everyone and we will start discussing. Okay? Good that you are done now. कैफ, ये वाला नहीं पढ़ना है आपको. व्हाट्सएप पे जाना है. व्हाट्सएप पे मैंने पीडीएफ भेजा है स्टोरी का, वहां से यू हैव टू रीड. जो मैंने फ्राइडे को भी शेयर किया था और आपका होमवर्क था फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे 3 दिन में से आपको सिर्फ 20 मिनट्स निकालने थे एवरी टोटल. सो दैट इज हाउ मच टाइम? 6 minutes every day. ऑल स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज आप कॉल वापस ज्वाइन कर लो. अगर आपका रीड करके पूरा नहीं हुआ है इट्स ओके, बट कम बैक टू द कॉल. वी आर स्टार्टिंग. ऑल राइट. Okay, stop writing everyone. Come on video. I want to see कौन कौन वापस आया है. All 8 chapters, not 8 stories. ठीक है? स्टोरी होता है, एक ही स्टोरी है, बट आपने क्या पढ़ा है अभी? आपने चैप्टर्स पढ़े हैं. All right, come on video everyone. I wanna see. Come on. If you're coming on video, that means you are here. अगर आप वीडियो पे नहीं हो, that means you're not here. So I want to see the video. Okay, thank you Rahul Riya. Thank you Prateek, thank you Muskan. Kef, Sadik and Abhijit. Okay, Kef, first please sit properly. जब हम सो जाते हैं ना, लेटते हैं, तो हमारा ब्रेन चलना धीरे हो जाता है, धीरे चलता है. तो अभी स्कूल में हम क्यों आते हैं? जिससे कि हमारा ब्रेन शार्प होए. और वो कब शार्प होएगा? वो तभी शार्प होएगा जब आप बैठोगे. थैंक यू कैफ. ऑल राइट, and only Abhijit is left. And he has not even switched on his video once. So does that mean he's okay? I'm gonna mark him absent. That means Abhijit, if you are on the call, write on the chat window. Nahi to I'm marking you absent. Okay, Rinki and Abhishek, please switch on your videos. And thank you so much everyone for switching on your video and for cooperating. It's very important. Otherwise, I don't know if you are learning or not. Okay, thank you Rinki. Give me thumbs up if you have finished reading. Do not lie because it's not going to help you. Because I will ask questions and if you're not able to answer, I would know you have not read. If you have finished reading the story, okay, only 2 thumbs up. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Jayashree, what happened? Were you not able to read the remaining 3 chapters? You had almost more than 20 minutes. Come on, tell me more. क्यों हम नहीं पढ़ पाए? कम टाइम था या फिर डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स थे? क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था? टेल मी सो दैट आई कैन हेल्प, राइट? टेल मी जयश्री, कम ऑन, अनम्यूट करो और मुझे बताओ हम क्यों नहीं पढ़ पाए. प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रहा था?
Yes, there were hard words.
There were hard words. Okay. Anyone else जिसको लगा कि स्टोरी में डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स थे? अगर आपको ऐसा लगा तो प्लीज थम्स अप दो वर्चुअल. If you think स्टोरी में बहुत सारे डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स थे, give me virtual thumbs up. Okay, राहुल felt it. खुशनुमा को भी लगा, मुस्कान को लगा, थैंक यू. सृष्टि को भी लगा, थैंक यू. ऑलराइट, सो ओके, जब अमृता आपको डिफिकल्ट वर्ड लगे तो आपने क्या किया?
In there was my Tati, new Tati. Then her brother in 7th standard. Then he go now from 8th standard. Then he gave all the 7th standard textbooks to us. There is workbook over the book and there is difficult words in this. And I did it. You can see some people have dictionary also. They can found it.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you. So Amrita is saying she looked up the answer. She tried to find the meaning of the words. So you have 2 things that you can do. Listen closely. First thing that you can do is guess the meaning. मैंने बताया कैसे guess करते हैं. You read before, you read after and try to guess. Second, you can do what Amrita did. You can try to find the meaning. Meaning कैसे find करोगे? अगर आपके घर पे कोई बड़ा इंसान है जो इंग्लिश में अच्छा है, उनसे पूछो. अगर वो नहीं है, then you have Google. डिक्शनरी पे भी मत जाओ, आई वुड से, क्योंकि आप सबके पास इंटरनेट है. गूगल इज फास्टर, आपको ढूंढना नहीं पड़ेगा. या सो गूगल करो मीनिंग. यस, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ, टेल मी अ डिफिकल्ट वर्ड. एनीवन, कोई भी मेरे को एक डिफिकल्ट वर्ड बताओ. मिसबा, यू आर रेजिंग हैंड. टेल मी अ डिफिकल्ट वर्ड जो जिसका मतलब आपको नहीं पता था स्टोरी में. याद नहीं आ रहा अभी, कोई बात नहीं. यस राहुल, टेल मी कोई भी डिफिकल्ट वर्ड. ऑब्जेक्ट डिफिकल्ट वर्ड है? आई थिंक ऑब्जेक्ट तो हमने बहुत बार पढ़ा है. हु कैन टेल मी ऑब्जेक्ट का मीनिंग? ऑब्जेक्ट का मीनिंग क्या होता है? खुशनुमा, आप बता सकते हो ऑब्जेक्ट का मीनिंग? Things. Okay, I think Bindya said. Bindya, please take permission without before saying an answer. Okay, yeah, things. Object तो thing होता है. कोई बात नहीं. राहुल, yes. Amrita, Raj, tell me. Raj has not answered. Sprint. Very good. Sprint is a new word. उसका meaning बहुत easy है, but है word new. So sprint का मतलब क्या होता है राज? What will you do? You will go to Google. Okay, don't tell me right now. Don't tell me. No telling. I'm gonna show you. So I will go on Google. I will use this audio button. आप type भी कर सकते हो, but मैं audio button use करूँगी, ठीक है? Meaning of sprint.
Here's the definition of sprint. Run at full speed over a short distance.
क्या लिखा रहा है? उसने बोला भी. She said it also. And what is written? Run at full speed over a short distance. मतलब full speed पे भागना. Yes, that's sprint. So this is how you can find, right, the meaning of difficult words. You all have Google. आपको लिखना भी नहीं है. Suppose you don't know how to read a word. This is sprint. आपको पता ही नहीं sprint बोलते हैं. Then you can type. Spelling copy करके paste कर सकते हो ना. sprint meaning आ जाएगा and it will read it for you also. So अगर मैं लिखूं sprint meaning, अगर आपको किसी वर्ड का प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं पता है, ओके राहुल इज लाइक obsessed, he didn't mean object, he meant obsessed. ओके राहुल, करेक्ट. I will tell you. So you see this button over here. ध्यान से देखना, मैं एक बटन दिखा रही हूँ. ये लाउड स्पीकर जैसा बटन बना हुआ है स्क्रीन के पास में.
Yes.
है ना? तो इस बटन को अगर हम प्रेस करते हैं तो ये वर्ड को पढ़ के बताते हैं. यस यस राज, आई कैन सी. तो अगर मैं स्पीकर प्रेस करूंगी वो मुझे पढ़ के बताएगा कि ये वर्ड को बोलते कैसे है. सो आई एम प्रेसिंग इट. ओके, ध्यान से सुनना.
sprint, sprint,
सुनाई दिया?
Yes. No, we can't.
अच्छा ठीक है. सो आई विल प्ले इट ऑन माय लैपटॉप, तब आप लोग को सुनाई देगा. ठीक है. सो सेम थिंग जो मैं फोन पे कर सकती हूँ, आई कैन डू द सेम थिंग ऑन माय लैपटॉप. नाउ लिसन. I played it thrice. Suna? So you can do it in your phones.
We can't hear, teacher.
Acha, you can't hear. Wait, up you will be able to hear.
Sprint, sprint, sprint.
Suna?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is how you can learn how to say a difficult word and how to find the meaning of a difficult word. Okay? Now, okay, it's 9:48. We will not do today's class. जो हमें debrief questions करने थे, we will do it tomorrow. Now listen, why I am telling all this. I am telling all this because this is how we are going to study English from now on. We have, after this Snow White story, we have 2 more stories coming up. English is not always I will give you a passage and you have to write questions on it. Now we are in 7th class. What does that mean? That means we need to adapt to new things, bigger things. Just I keep telling, right, कि 5.5 level is not the only level. We have to move ahead it. How do we move ahead past 5.5 level? We read difficult things. We read a lot more. But this was not 5.5 level. This was around 2.5 level. So कोई भी पढ़ सकता था. Yes, Raj, this was 2.5 level. This was not 5.5. Yeah. So most of you could have read this. Yes, Shashwat, you are raising hand. Shashwat, you are raising hand.
I think teacher का laptop ही. Right.
Okay. Can you all hear me now? I had some internet issue.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Shashwat, you were saying something? Shashwat, you were saying something. Shashwat, you had your hand raised. What were you saying?
Nothing.
Acha, theek hai. So everyone, we are going to do 2 more stories like this. This week we are going to finish Snow White. So jisko bhi aaj time nahi mila tha, you didn't think there was enough time to read the story, please finish reading the story. Read the story completely. We are going to do the debrief tomorrow. The 8 questions that I displayed for few of the students, we are going to directly discuss it tomorrow. Yes, Arsia.
Miss, I done only 6
That's
questions.
okay. That's fine. That's fine. We can directly discuss. It's okay if you are not able to do. Yes, Kushnuma.
Miss, can you share question in
No.
school group?
No. We will do it live. I want you to read the story properly. अगर आपने एक बार पढ़ा है, then I want you to do it again. Read the story properly. Understand all the difficult words. Find the meaning on Google. and then once you are done doing that, then we will discuss the questions. Okay? It's okay. You don't have to do all the questions. It was not supposed to be done before the class. We were supposed to discuss it. Now, it's okay. Now use today's time to read the story properly again. Find meaning of all the difficult words. Read it. We'll do it tomorrow. Also, one more important announcement. From tomorrow, your exams are starting. Yes. Tomorrow you have RC level 1. RC round 1 का paper है कल. So, it will be on Google Forms. It will be on Google Forms completely. You don't have to go anywhere. But, एक second, hold on. Yeah. So make sure you're doing it on Google Forms and make sure you're finishing it tomorrow because every day you have a paper. जो कल नहीं कर पाएगा, I will give you entire day till 12 in the night to finish it. अगर कोई RC कल complete नहीं करता है, then उसको दोबारा chance नहीं मिलेगा. I will mark you absent. So make sure you are doing it tomorrow. I will not give you homework this week. मैं इसलिए homework नहीं दूंगी because I want you to do the assessments. ठीक है? The only homework that I'm giving is today. That is read the story and come because ये आपका last week का homework है. Yes, Arsia.
Miss, that again that we got a paper, so I didn't do anything. Only I do English one, so that we have to submit on Wednesday only.
Which one? That worksheet?
Yeah.
Worksheet you have to submit next month. Forget about the worksheet right now. Worksheet October में आपको submit करनी है. अभी submit नहीं करनी है. And that is not your exam. That is not exam. That is not test. ठीक है?
Which one?
Worksheet जो आपको school से मिली है. That is not your exam. That is not your test. Yeah. तो वो आपको जो school से मिला है, that is not your exam or test. What I'm gonna send from tomorrow is your test. Yes. Amrita and Raj, you have a question?
Teacher, you can give timetable from we can revise.
No.
No. No
Timetable.
No.
नहीं, because maths and English का ही paper हो रहा है this week. And because RC में multiple rounds होते हैं, you don't have to do it. Science and SST October के first week में होगा, तो उसका timetable I will give you. English and maths में you don't have to revise. Maths में just make sure integers you are doing properly, fractions you are doing, BODMAS you are doing. So all of these things you need to do. So practice those. Basic skills. याद है एक पेपर लास्ट मंथ भी हुआ था, मैथ्स के 2 सेट्स मैंने दिए थे, तो उसमें जो क्वेश्चंस थे उस टाइम पे, आई एम नॉट सेइंग ओनली दोस क्वेश्चन, दैट बी डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस एज वेल, बट उस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होंगे. सो मेक श्योर यू आर डूइंग, यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग दैट. ठीक है? क्लियर? So from tomorrow, your first paper RC, you have to do it on Google Form. And also one more thing, because these are exams, you will get only one chance to do it. So make sure आप properly उसको कर रहे हो एक बार में. अगर आप दोबारा submit करोगे तो मैं उसको consider नहीं करूंगी. मैं अभी भी नहीं करती थी, मैं दोबारा अभी भी नहीं करूंगी. जो आपका first try होगा सिर्फ वही माना जाएगा. आपको 2-3 बार अगर आप form fill करते हो उसका मतलब ये नहीं है मैं third वाला consider करूंगी. No, I will only consider the first time you do it. तो सबको एक ही बार पेपर करना है, एक ही बार फॉर्म फिल करना है, 2-3 बार नहीं करना है. ठीक है? यस अंजलि.
When you will send tomorrow?
अंजलि, I will send it after the class. After your, और आज आपका क्लास 10:30 पे है. We have changed the timings because some of your siblings have class at 11, so we have pushed the class at 10:30. 10:30 to 11:30 से होगा आज.
Miss want to join 10:25.
Yes, 10:25 पे, because आज से क्लास 10:30 पे है, because आप में से बहुत सारे के भाई बहन की क्लास होती है 11 बजे. Yeah? All right, I will let you go now. Make sure you're reading the story. Make sure you're finding the difficult words. Tomorrow we will discuss those questions. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.